So I am working on my Honda Element today, and I'm working on the switch that turns the light on when you open the door. And it sits right here on the door jamb, right next to your VIN sticker. And you'll see over time, this car is 20 years old now, so you'll see that the rubber boot gets ripped. I have to do this on my Honda Accord as well, and that rubber just disintegrates over time. And you don't want to get a parasitic draw if this switch actually breaks. I've got them all lined up here. I've got some extras just in case. There is a 1-pin connector, and you'll also see that there's a rubber cover here on this that you just pry off. There is a lot of these are the silver version of this one, but it is an 8mm bolt as well as a Phillips head screw. So you can use a Phillips head or an 8mm to remove it. So here it is. I will have the OEM part number as well as a link to eBay in the description. We'll see you next time.